Hey guys, a very good morning to all my crypto peculiars. So, have you all been curious about what's happening in the market? Don't you worry, the CoinMonks got you covered. You can also stay crypto dated with by listening to our news podcast. We've left the link for you in the description box below. Okay, so before starting with the updates, let's quickly quote today's headlines. Major Indian bank breaks banking ban with WazirX crypto exchange deal. Shiba Inu comes to Bitmart's rescue post the $200 million hack. Bilibili announced its full entry into the blockchain and metaverse markets. The data on 7th December's most popular meme coin shows a surge of 400%. So let's start off with our refresh feed. Firstly, according to reports, Indian banks have been sluggish to recognize the Supreme Court's order permitting them to conduct business with cryptocurrency companies. According to a story published in the Economic Times, Kotak, India's largest private bank, has become the first to open its door to the crypto community. Well, looks like the fear, uncertainty, doubt is finally coming to an end. Thank God I was worried, but now I'm excited as I am for Spider-Man sequel. Anyways, let's have a look at our headline. The banking behemoth announced a partnership with WazirX, the top crypto exchange that would allow traders to liquidate their holdings using banking services. Given that Indian banks have been freezing crypto payments and withdrawals for the past 8 months, the alliance between the two companies is being hailed as a big milestone for the crypto community. WazirX has created an account with Kotak which may be used to receive and disburse money to WazirX investors. The account has yet to be activated. Paperwork, KYC and some testing are in the works. One source familiar with the situation stated. Private banks in India have refused to do business with crypto platforms due to a lack of regulatory clarity and have been caught using RBI circulars to reject services. The RBI circular in question was issued in 2018 and it instructed banks to refrain from providing such services. The Supreme Court eventually nullified the circular in March 2020, allowing banks to resume their activities. However, it had little to no effect on bank conduct in the real world. Even after the Supreme Court verdict, Ramesh Kailasamam, CEO of the industry association IndiaTech.org, stated why banks refused to give their services. Banks were allowed to deal with the cryptocurrency ecosystem after the RBI clarified to them in May this year that they could not cite the 2018 directive since it has been overturned by the Supreme Court. Since then, banks have been allowed to engage as long as they follow the requisite KYC, AML, CFT, PMLA, and FEMA due diligence processes as well as assessing their own financial health and risk exposures. As a result, banks that have done their homework are usually free to participate in the industry. So moving forward, the official Shiba Twitter handle tweeted that even though the core of our project is decentralization, we want to show our support and give some love to our friends at Bitmart Exchange who are already working hard to fix the security incident that happened yesterday. This created an all-out positive vibes in the crypto world. This shows how companies can come together to work against scams and provide safe environment to the customers, and Shiba indeed is a messiah here, right? Anyways, let's have a look at what's getting cooked. Following one of the largest thefts in crypto's recent history, which resulted in the loss of $196 million in investor cash, Bitmart has received an outpouring of solidarity from the entire crypto community. The official Twitter account of Shiba Inu, the popular meme token, highlighted Bitmart's attack in one of its tweets earlier today, expressing their support for the exchange site. Bitmart lost almost 900 billion Shiba Inu tokens along with other meme currencies like Floki, Moonshot and Baby Doge from their hot wallets. SafeMoon, Binance Coin, BSC USD and BNB BPay were among the cryptocurrencies that were taken. Along with the SHIB Army, Huobi, a crypto exchange behemoth, gave assistance to Bitmart's exchange platform following the breach. Huobi Exchange tweeted yesterday from its official account that it would want to assist in the management of associated asset inflows by notifying and assisting with any expected concerns as soon as feasible. Bitmart was hacked over the weekend and it was a textbook example of transfer route swap and wash, according to PeckShield, a blockchain security and data analytics startup. The attack took place on Ethereum and the Binance Smart Chain, which has been heavily abused. Nearly $100 million was transferred from Ethereum hot wallets, while another $96 million was transferred from the Binance Smart Chain. Following the transfer, the exploiters reportedly used the decentralized exchange aggregator 1inch to convert the stolen monies to Ether, which then they placed into the Tornado Cash privacy mixer. Furthermore, Bitmart has temporarily halted withdrawals as a result of the attack. So, moving forward, Bilibili announced its full entry into the blockchain and metaverse universe markets by testing its UPower chain in connection with its metaverse business. UPower chain is a native digital community built for new applications, cultures, games, and digital assets, and it will eventually support community governance. This was quite an interesting initiative, wasn't it? I myself would wait for my favorite suit up in Metaverse. I mean, if it exists, are you excited too? Let's have a discussion over this with our headline being. According to a report published on Monday by Tech Planet, Chinese video streaming platform Bilibili is testing its UPower chain in connection with the company's metaverse business. According to the test screenshots shown in the news, UPower chain is a type of metaverse ecology that creates an open, innovative, and inclusive digital native community. Blockchain is the underlying technology necessary to build metaverse. It should be noted that UPower chain will be used the upcoming new generation digital world metaverse. Bilibili's metaverse will soon be open to the public. At the moment, UPower chain's vision is to provide channels for digital asset mapping tokens, invite diverse applications to join this ecology, realize digital asset circulation across applications, and provide users with a variety of user scenarios and display stages of becoming the possession identity authentication plus asset repository of organizations or individuals. On the metaverse, Bilibili has its thoughts. Bilibili CEO Shen Rui said that at present almost all discussions about metaverse are at the media and capital level, while few people who make products talk about the metaverse. There must be enough breakthroughs on the products and technologies to realize the metaverse, which cannot be achieved in the near future. However, to be honest, the realization of it can bring users a better experience and a better vision, as well as one more choice. Shen Rui even said that I think the most important thing in the concept of metaverse is to have a self-circulating ecological supply of content which can't be done by a single company. After all, to build a new metaverse world, there must be many creators and they also need to make money in it. This is the very idea that the Bilibili ecology has been adhering to. The virtual uploader is a good example. By motion captures, uploaders become another image which many followers welcome. Because Bilibili's metaverse is built on blockchain technology, blockchain is an important underlying technology that plays an important and supportive role in identity authentication mechanisms, economic system construction, and creator value guarantees. So moving forward with our final portion of today morning, looks like a token today has taken a super anime level power up. I mean, literally these meme coins indeed are something. Let's have a look at it. With a 24-hour trading volume of 231,444 USD dollars, the current Milky token price is $0.003161 USD. Our Milky to USD price is updated according to 6 p.m. IST. In the last 24 hours, Milky token has increased by 420.17%. With a live market cap of available, the current coin market cap ranking is 4006. The circulating supply is depleted and the maximum supply is also depleted. Kawaii Islands is a play-to-earn NFT simulation game that generates a fantasy environment in the cloud for multiplayers to enjoy a full range of simulation gameplay, including farming, crafting, house design, style, and social networking. Kawaii Islands is a cloud-based fantasy environment where multiplayers may engage in a variety of simulation game activities such as designing, building, crafting, farming, and social networking. Kawaii Islands will deliver gamers a new degree of combined fun and profit by gamifying different DeFi techniques. Build your own business on-chain and grow your creativity, grow and manage plenty of magical resources, create various types of furniture for your house on the cloud, fulfill challenging orders to earn your future and prestige, show your unique style through different self-tailored outfits, experience straightforward and attractive play-to-earn opportunities. Imagine you're on the Kawaii Islands planting and producing magical annuals, but you also want to travel to another isekai to fight monsters, act as an overlord, or live life to the fullest. Kawaii Islands has long marketed itself as an anime metaverse with a variety of anime-style games and virtual activities. It's a location where reality is mingled with imagination and magic to create a plethora of entertaining experiences. The governance token KYT is used to send out rewards and pay gaming fees, while the gaming token Milky is used to send out rewards and pay gaming costs. So we would now wind up with the assessment for today morning and meet you all tomorrow with even more interesting stuff. Until then, you may consider joining our Telegram channel for free crypto signals. Visit our blog linked below for guides, reviews and tutorials, and subscribe to the channel and get daily updates about the crypto market. Lastly, with this little favor of CoinMonks, we hope you stay updated. Thanks for watching and have a nice day ahead.